Welcome to QNE AI Cloud Accounting. We're excited to introduce new validation options for all your sales e-invoice related transactions. These features are designed to cater to whatever your situation is, lessening any challenges you might face in your invoicing process. Let's explore the 4 types of validation available when saving a transaction. Starting with draft or consolidated validation, this level offers the least validation control, making it perfect for scenarios where flexibility is key. Scenario 1. Need to issue a pro forma invoice but don't have all the tax information yet? Choose draft or consolidated validation. The system skips validation, allowing you to save the invoice now and modify it later when you have the necessary details. Scenario 2. Have too many items to input at once? Save your progress using draft or consolidated validation. This option lets you temporarily save your work and continue later without losing any data. Scenario 3. If your customers don't require an e-invoice, this option is ideal. The system won't perform any validation, allowing you to print the invoice as is. This invoice will be included in the consolidated e-invoice when you generate a submission. Remember, you can always change from this level to a higher validation level based on your needs. QNE AI Cloud Accounting adapts to whatever validation you require, making the process smoother and less challenging. Next, let's talk about the E-invoice portal option, designed to streamline e-invoicing directly with your customers. Scenario 1. Unable to obtain tax information from your customer and uncertain if they require an e-invoice? Let them decide. With the e-invoice portal option, your customers can enter their tax information and request the e-invoice themselves. The system will perform certain validations to ensure your customers can submit the e-invoice themselves. They just have to fill the required details, then submit, and there you have it. They can now download the e-invoice. That easy. But what if your customer doesn't initiate e-invoice submission within the prescribed period? Don't worry. QNE AI Cloud Accounting caters to this situation too. You can still include it in your consolidated e-invoice submission. Or once you have their full customer tax information, you can trigger the submission of a validated e-invoice on your end. Just switch to the full validation option to ensure all required details are in place. Submit the e-invoice, check all the details, and hit confirm. Once done, click the OK button, and there you have it. A valid e-invoice. For those who need to ensure compliance and accuracy, the full validation option is your best choice. Scenario 1. Want to guarantee that all required information for an e-invoice is entered? Full validation has you covered. The system checks every detail, ensuring nothing is missed. Scenario 2. Concerned about invoice rejection during submission from your supervisor? Full validation validates your invoice in advance, ensuring it meets LHDN requirements before your supervisor or through a system schedule to submit as an e-invoice. This is the recommended validation level to use before submitting your invoice for final validation. Finally, there's the exempted option, perfect for scenarios where an e-invoice has already been issued by another party. Scenario 1. If you're dealing with platforms like Lazada or Shopee that issue self-billed e-invoices, choose exempted. The system won't validate the invoice, allowing you to print it, but it won't be included in the consolidated e-invoice. Scenario 2. Received a commission from a customer who will issue a self-billed e-invoice? Select exempted. The system will record this as income in your accounting records, but won't include it in the consolidated e-invoice. Let's recap the 4 validation options available. 1. Draft or consolidated validation, ideal for issuing pro forma invoices, temporarily saving work, or sending invoices to customers that do not require e-invoice. 2. E-invoice portal, allows customer-requested e-invoices through QNE E-invoice portal. 3. Full validation, ensures complete compliance and accuracy before submitting invoices to LHDN, and is recommended for final validation. 4. Exempted, for invoices already issued by other parties or self-billed invoices not to be included in the consolidated e-invoice. QNE AI Cloud Accounting is the only accounting software in Malaysia capable of handling a full range of scenarios, offering unmatched flexibility and control. These new validation options are designed to cater to any situation, making invoicing easier and less challenging. Whether you need minimal validation, full control, or something in between, QNE AI Cloud Accounting has the right solution for you. And remember, you can always adjust the validation level as your needs change. Thank you for choosing QNE AI Cloud Accounting. This video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Next generation of accounting. QNE AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.